Are you getting tired of using chemicals all the time when you're cleaning your home? There is a great alternative and it's called E-Cloth. So simply take one of these here and soak it under water, wring it out and wipe clean. These things are excellent, especially when you're doing mirror cleaning and window cleaning. You can really leave a nice streak-free finish behind and you don't have to use any chemicals. As you can see, lots of grime here. Simply wipe it away with the damp side of the cloth, then flip it over to the dry side, and you end up with streak-free results because you're not using any chemicals. These e-cloths are becoming increasingly more popular, and there are a few reasons for it. But first, what is an e-cloth? Let's talk about it. Simply put, e-cloths are the good stuff. So this is very fine microfiber, and the electrostatic on this helps to even get rid of bacteria, as far as some of the test results show. So that is a big thing that people love about these. Another thing is streak-free results. So many people want that beautiful shine for their mirror or windows and don't want any streaks left behind. The majority reasons as to why people leave streaks behind in the first place is because you're using the chemicals wrong and that residue gets left behind. With this, you're not using any chemicals. It's simply water, and with that fine microfiber, you get perfect results. Lack of chemicals in cleaning is great for a bunch of different reasons. One being the environment, one for people that have allergies, and the other reason is pets. So making sure you're eliminating as many chemicals out of your house as possible is always a good choice.